WIKO View 2 Pro, and let me show you how to enter the safe mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Keep holding power. When the following options pops up, let's hold down on power off. Keep holding power off. When your device restarting, let's just wait a couple of seconds until the phone will boot into the safe mode. Alright, as you can see, your device is in safe mode. Now you can use that mode so you can check out how your device works without the third-party apps. It's really useful, and if you would like to quit this mode, let's just simply press power key, and from the following options let's choose restart. Tap restart, tap OK, wait a couple of seconds until you will be ready to use your device in a normal way. Alright, the home screen pops up, so it means that everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.